Well, it's March 23rd here in Aurora, Colorado, and we've got about 9 inches of snow overnight. So I'm about ready to go out here and shovel some of this snow. Just thought I'd let you see a little video of what we have here on the third day of spring. Springtime in the Rockies. Well, here's what the overnight snow totals on March 23rd, 2013. What it looks like here on our deck. I'd say it's closer to 10 inches almost, as you can see from the railing and the snow on the table. Still coming down. I'd say we might get a foot out of this before it stops today. Like I said before, springtime in the Rockies.